So hey, lots to smile about this year. How have you felt about the way things have gone for you?
Of course, I always go as the team goes, and of course, right now we're in a desperate situation where we have to come out here and get a big win. I mean, the transition I feel has been very smooth. But of course, right now we're battling for our playoff lives against the Eskimos, and this is a huge game for us, one that we're excited for, and it was good for us to get that big win last week at home. But in order for us to get in the playoffs, we got to show that we can win on the road as well.
Do you think that you could kind of put up, theoretically, maybe the best numbers of your career as you move on a little further in your career the way you've done it this year?
Well, I tell you, I mean, the staff there, Carly, Vandergreit, and the whole medical staff, they've done a great job of keeping me healthy. But, it all starts up front. I mean, our offensive line, they've done a great job. And seeing the weapons that I had outside and also in the backfield, I knew anything was possible with this group. I mean, we got the most talented group in the league as far as on offense and in the skill positions. And those guys make plays all day. And, I'm thankful and I'm blessed to have those guys on my side. And I look forward to getting out there each and every game and just seeing what's the next big play that those guys are going to make and how easy and effortless they make it look sometimes. We went through our growing pains this year, but we've all stayed together and we'll continue to push through and do the things it takes to make us the best we could possibly be at this point right now. Because this season's all about how you finish, not how you start, and hopefully we can finish it off just that way.
Kind of shocking you can put up those great numbers and only have 5 wins, though.
Well, it's how it is sometimes. I mean, especially when you have a new team and you have a lot of turnover that came to our locker room this year. You're always going to have inconsistencies, and it was a struggle, especially going through the 5-game losing streak. Then having the win over Edmonton and Hamilton, then laying a goose egg there in Winnipeg. Of course, we didn't want it to be that bad as far as the inconsistencies, but we've learned from the things that have happened in the past, and we're hoping now that regardless of what we've done in the past, we've learned from all the mishaps that we've put upon ourselves, and now hopefully we can bear the fruit that we've sowed from those learning experiences and actually make the things happen in the correct fashion now.
Do you feel you're to the point where you're getting that consistency in your game?
Well, just seeing the last couple of weeks of practices that we've had, I definitely feel we're on our way. I mean, to see each and every team that wins a Grey Cup every year or Super Bowl or whatever league you're in, they go through that one game where they feel the most embarrassed that they've ever felt, and that was us against Winnipeg. And to see the way that the guys have bounced back, having great practices the past 2 weeks, and guys pretty much welcoming the game plan and doing whatever they can to make sure that they're executing and doing their jobs to the best of their ability. That's what you look for in a team. And right now I definitely feel we're on our way. Now we have to go out and prove it on game day.
Any kind of carryover from that game in Hamilton 2 weeks ago with the Eskimos?
We're hoping so. I mean, we know they're going to come out of that locker room and full of piss and vinegar. Am I allowed to say that? But we know they're going to come out ready to play some good football in front of their home crowd here, because they're playing for their playoff lives as well, and there's a lot of talent on that side. I mean, playing against the Eskimos for so many years, I mean, they're always accustomed to going to the playoffs, and I know Coach Gates is going to have that team ready to go and do whatever they can to get back in the win column. So we got to make sure, regardless of what happened a couple weeks ago, that we can come out and do whatever it takes to hopefully implement that same far as performance that we did. But we know it's going to be much tougher on the road. It's always a 60-minute game here, regardless of the many years I played in Calgary and whatever the records were between the two teams. The Eskimos always came and played their best at home and gave their fans a great show, and it was always a dogfight at the end.
What about you here at Commonwealth Stadium, Henry? Because the Ticats have struggled here in the last 10, 1-9. Mm-hmm. What can you bring from your experience with Calgary into this stadium tomorrow and help you kind of end that streak?
Well, the number one thing I've been saying this week about the streak is that I have no relevance to the streak for Hamilton, so hopefully we can come and write a new chapter, just kind of with the new breath that's in our locker room, with George Cortez being a part of a lot of the many Labor Day Alberta rivalries, with Edmonton, and hopefully we can, as far as revisit and kind of introduce a new value as far as whenever we come on the road, because that's one of the things that Coach, as far as the scenario that he, presented to us as far as Hamilton's, past history on the road against Western opponents, and he showed that record, and kind of we all looked around like, wow, they played great at home as far as us as the Ticats, but whenever we went west, I mean, we laid a goose egg. So, and like we said, here's the scenario that he pointed out to us, and if we want to get in the big show, we have to overcome that hurdle, and this is one of the steepest hurdles that we have to overcome, is winning here at Commonwealth Stadium, and this will be a true test for where we're at as a team right now. I mean, if we want to be in the show, I mean, we got to prove that we deserve to be in the show, and this is the games that definitely help us prove just that.